What is happening, guys? Hey, really quickly, just want to share a little information with you. We've started our new cryptocurrency, man. We're trading it peer to peer. We're working with the coin called Swift Demand. It's actually a token. And I'm going to show you. A lot of people don't know that you can make money with this token because, according to the owners of it, you could trade this token within the peer to peer community that we're building, right? You can trade your tokens for, whatever you want to trade it for. Me and my team members, we're trading for Bitcoin, 100% legal because of the simple fact they're both still decentralized and deregulated, so we can trade amongst ourselves in our private community and make some pretty good money doing it, guys. So I'm going to take you over and show you the accounts. Now, this is my CryptoNet Global account, and with this account right here, you'll see where I'm at level 9 because I've been, as I'm making money, I'm upgrading to the different levels on this trading platform. And I have 33 total members that's with me right now. These are people that I've been sharing this with. I have 33 of them. They're jumping in, guys. I'm not recruiting. I'm not doing anything. They want it. They like, man, let me know what I got to do to get it. So I'm getting them in here and I'm getting them set up, man. So I have 33 members right now. And you see I'm at $3,300, which is pretty cool. These are my members that came in at $100. So it's $125 to get started. I'm being 100% transparent about that. I know a lot of people don't like spending money, but you want to make money. So it doesn't work like that. It's $125 to get in. You pay $100, which that goes to your sponsor, right? And then the 25 sets up this trading platform right here. You have a full trading platform where you can see the members coming in. You see the $100 payments. I can't show you people names and everything because I don't want to violate anybody's privacy. But this right here, guys, this is amazing. You see I'm at $3,300 with this. I started with $125, guys. $125, I got set up. Sponsor got his 125, set this platform up. And let me show you how it works. So I'm going to take you over to Swift Demand. So this is my Swift Demand account. With Swift Demand, we get free coin. We get 100 when we sign up. We get 100 every 12 to 24 hours. Then we get 500 per referral. That's pretty good, right? I mean, you're getting free coin and you're able to trade this free coin for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you me getting the free coin right now, how it works. Pay attention. Something super simple. There's nothing hard about it. Let me go in here. Bam. Right. So, okay, then this is my account. I usually wait, so you can claim $100 a day. They only let you get up to 7 days. Then on the 8th day, you won't be able to claim if you don't be done cleared out your wallet, right? If you don't be done cleared out what you got coming in. So what it is, I'm going to claim my 700 right now because I usually wait 7 days, then I claim. But you can claim every day if you want to. Me, I have my clock set for every 7 days. I come in here and claim. That's why I'm doing my video on this 7th day. So I'm going to claim my coin. Bam, you see the coin went up into my total. I have a total of 144,833 coins, right? So that means that, man, I can move this coin at $100 per. You see me over here. As you can see, I'm trading this coin, giving it to my members. I don't know if you can see this, right? I'm giving them 100. So what happens is when you trade the coin with them, they're going to give you Bitcoin. You're going to give them Swift Demand. So what happens is each one of them that sends me 100, I have to send 105 because the process here has a 5 coin fee. So they're going to hit me for 5 coins. So I make sure that I put 105 so that way when my person get theirs, it's at 100. The company took their little 5 off of me sending it. It's just like with Bitcoin, they got their little fees for when you send the same over here. So that's pretty cool. And so as you can see, I'm at 144,000. Not bad, huh? That means I could flip this into $144,000 and I'm doing it each and every day, guys. Every day I'm flipping this coin. Let's take a look. Let's see. This is my Bitcoin account for this particular process here, for this particular movement that I'm doing with this team. I usually start different teams as I, work through this so I don't mix up my accounts. So this is the new one I just showed you with 33 members. I got $3,300 in here for this. Pretty good, guys. You see this is today. What is today? The November the 2nd, and it's at 20,411.99. That's Bitcoin. You can check it for yourself to make sure that this is current. And today is, I believe, Wednesday. I'm guessing that today is Wednesday, I believe. And this is at 20,000 for the Bitcoin. This is me right here. I have 3,301.42 sitting over here, guys, just from this simple program right here, guys. Just from Swift Demand, claiming these free coin every day, trading as I bring people in. As I'm bringing people in, I'm trading the coin with them. Not only that, we have 10 trade levels. It starts at the 100 where you see me starting them at, and it goes all the way up to 51,000. 3,200. So imagine as I'm taking people in and they're upgrading, I'm getting more and more Bitcoin and moving more and more Swift Demand. But remember, every time I bring somebody in, Swift Demand gives me what they call a referral bonus. Let me see if I can show you that. So you just saw me claim the 700. Pretty good tracking. It tracks everything, right? So see, I claimed 700 there. I claimed 200 on that day. That's probably because I was doing a webinar and was showing them how to do it. So if you look right here, it's 500 referral bonus. If you look at all the referral bonuses I have, they're 500, 500, 500. Guys, this thing is easy. 125 to get in. You know, if you don't want to put up $125, this is not for you. But if I was you, and I'm not you, but if I was you, I wouldn't have a problem putting up $125 to take possession of where I'm at right now. $125 to take possession of. I'm at $3,000, guys, in Bitcoin, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. So this is something that anybody can do, man. And the platform is simply amazing, man. I mean, this thing is amazing. You can't stop the flow. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the platform is set up to win, man. It's set up to actually help you to win. You have everything that you need. We have a training academy over here in the back office, which teaches Bitcoin. We have our own dashboard, our downline tracker. We have everything over here on this trading platform that we've created, guys. So this thing is amazing. Everybody's getting over here. And if you want to see results like this from coming in using free crypto, a lot of people say, oh, you can't do it for free. That's because you don't know what you're talking about. We're over here and we're investigating what we're doing. We're researching and we know exactly what it is we're doing. Plus, this company right here has given us the right to be able to move this coin at whatever amount we want to move it at. For those that don't know, I can show you that because it's very important that people know these things. Let me see if I can go down here to the fact. I'm gonna hurry up and get off, guys. I'm not trying to keep y'all on for a long time. But if you go down here and it says, where is it? It's Swift tied to right here. Our Swift coins tied to real world currency right here, this part here. Our Swift tied to real world currency. And it says no, because it's not tied to any real world currency. It's for all countries. It's for, I could trade my Swift for Naira, for Euro. So it's not just tied to US dollar or US bit, none of that. It's not tied to any one real currency, right? And they say, well, how are you trading your Swift at $1 a piece? Well, it says right here, Swift are only worth as much as someone else is willing to pay for them. So that means that I can set my platform up at for $1, right? Everybody pay $1 per Swift, and I can move it the way I'm moving it right here. And this is the company's website. This is their fact sheet. This is what they're saying. So I'm just following the guidelines of this company, and I'm trading my Swift Demand coins. I have some great stuff over there. They're not just moving coin with me. They're getting a great training academy. They're getting everything that they need to be proficient in cryptocurrency. Once again, take a look, guys. I mean, it's amazing at what it is that we're doing over here. So if you look, trading platform is set up. Guys, you see it shows my members that's coming in on the trading platform. It's showing how much I've made on the trading platform. Everything is here. Everything is crystal clear. Hey, you want to make the money, get over here. It's 125. And you get in and you start making money today. Once again, it's the Swift Demand account. As you can see, I'm up on coin here, 144. Then check this out. And another 9 hours. Now you just saw me claim, and I say it's 12 to 24, but it's telling me in another 9 hours I get another 100. So guys, this thing is amazing, and I'm trading it. I'm making money with it. That's it. That's all. So I want to thank you guys for coming by. It's been super exciting, you know, sharing this information with you. I don't know if you know it, but I get excited when I share this stuff with people and show them how they can make money. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people struggling right now. What's better than being able to make some money to help out, you know, with your situation? So get with me. Let me show you how to do this. We have a really, really good team, and hopefully, you know, we're doing something that could help you to make some money, guys. So I look forward to seeing you over here on this side of Swift Demand with these Swift coins. I also want to say, if you're already in Swift Demand and you're trying to figure out how to trade your coin, please, please, please get in touch with me. Don't just sit here looking at your wallets and not making money. Get in touch with me so I can show you how it is that you can trade your coin and get paid. That's what it's all about. So this is your man KR. Super excited to be here with you. I look forward to working with you guys on the flip side, and y'all have a nice day. Take care.